Hello everyone, in this video we'll see how we can install PostgreSQL in our Ubuntu system. Okay, so I'm on the official documentation. If you search on the Google just PostgreSQL install, you will come up on this download page. After that, you have to click on this Linux and then the distribution. So we are going to install on the Ubuntu. So please select the distribution as the Ubuntu. Okay. So next, what you have to do, you have to simply do this sudo apt install. So, but before that, you have to simply update. Okay, and then after that you need to use the same command using sudo. Okay, so just do sudo and if it install PSQL. After that we'll just see the status. So that is the sudo systemctl status PostgreSQL. So here you can see it's active and running. Okay, and now what we can do, we need to switch. Okay, so sudo hyphen e. So whenever you install Postgre, it creates default user also for it. So this is the one user Postgres, and what we need to do, we need to create our own user and the database as well. Okay, so we can use the command uh, create user. Actually, wait. We can do create user and give any user like okay, my name, not my name, I will give something my user. Okay, then we can also use iPhone create TV, then something we can give like test. No, it will ask for something, I guess. If we use this one, yeah, enter password, we need to create a password also. So giving the same thing. Okay, okay, give the same password. Now you have to create a DB actually. So just to create DB, my DB, and for that user which you want, so that user I will give. Okay, that is also done. You simply exit, and then you can use this one. If you just try PSQL, sorry, you need to do, I guess, sudo. Wait, what was the command? I forgot. Just a second. Okay, so we are going to use this one, PSQL hyphen u my user, and then we will give the DB name my DB and the local host basically. So password you have to give. Okay, so now you are connected to the MyDB. Okay, so in this way you have to just set up the Postgres, and in this way you can give your username and the password and the database details, and you can just look for the commands related to the Postgres. So this is the way, and if you also want to check the version, that also you can use, you can see PSQL 16.10 we are using. Okay, so in this way you have to set up the Postgres. So that's it for this video, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.